I am Amy of Amy Nicole Floral, and on today's episode, I'm going to talk about this really interesting product. It has been on the market for a while, but I find that a lot of florists are not familiar with it, so I wanted to spend some time today showing you how it works. It's a really interesting type of tape. So it's called Oasis Bind-It tape. I will link it in the video for you. And what it is a silicone-based product that sticks to itself, similar to a paper floral tape, but it's very, very strong. It withstands tremendous heat, so you can use a hot pan glue or hot glue gun up to 500 degrees on this, and it binds together just about anything. So for bouquets, for boutonnieres, you can also bind together large branches and sticks. If you're making a huppah or an arch and you don't have a zip tie, this is a great alternative. You can also use this on glass, so you can actually put two glass vases together and use Bind-It tape around it, and it is a permanent hold. So it comes in this green color. It also comes in clear, but I want to show you how I use it, because what I have found, the benefit of it can sometimes be the downside, is that it tangles very quickly and very easily. So you want to be very careful. I will say another downside is it can be a little bit expensive. It's about $7 to $10 wholesale for about 15 feet. So it's something that you use a little sparingly. The good news is you don't need a whole lot. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to wrap this little bouquet. I'm only going to take a piece about 6 inches long. And what I do as I'm designing is I do this ahead of time before I start making my bouquet, and I just simply lay it with the plastic side down on the table, so I'm not touching it, and that way if I accidentally grab it, it's not going to get mangled and tangled. So what I do when I'm ready to tie together my little bouquet is I just remove the backing, again making sure to not get it really tangled, and I just kind of hold it down just like you would with any other type of tape, and you wrap it around and it sticks to itself. Ta-da! It's very, very strong. And the nice thing about it is you can still move your flowers up and down and around. Unlike some other types of tape, they can be a little bit more limiting. So that's really one of the benefits of this Bind-It tape, is it really holds things together without constricting your stems. The other thing you can do is use this for little boutonnieres. So traditionally, regular floral tape is used, but this goes very quickly if you need to make a lot of boutonnieres. What I do is cut a piece of this in half. You want to use very sharp scissors. If you use dull scissors, it's going to stick together to itself. So if I have my boutonniere here, all I'm going to do is the same way I would do floral tape, but you just need a tiny piece. I could even probably use half of that. In fact, I will, and save that. And it's on there really, really well. It's waterproof. It's not going to come apart. It's very easy to glue to, pin a wire through. So it's a really effective and useful tape. I hope that you'll give Bind-It tape a try. It is made by Oasis, and again, I will link it in the video for you to easily find it. If this video has been helpful, please like it, share it with your flower-loving friends, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to not miss out on any of the new information coming your way each and every week. Thanks for watching.